The Asus ProArt PA602 stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone building a professional workstation PC, especially for content creators who require superior cooling and noise management in an elegant, powerful case. With its hefty design, this case strikes a balance between durability and functionality, offering a robust solution for high-performance builds. One of the standout features of the PA602 is its exceptional cooling system. The case supports up to 200 mm intakes, providing high airflow with minimal noise, which is critical for anyone working in a quiet environment while running resource-intensive applications. For those who require even more cooling power, it accommodates 420mm format closed-loop cooling systems, ensuring that even the most demanding components stay cool under load. This is a big plus for professionals who rely on optimal performance without overheating issues. Dust filtration is another strong point of the PA602. The case is equipped with excellent filters to prevent dust buildup, an often overlooked feature in many cases. It even includes dirty filter detection, a thoughtful addition that helps maintain system cleanliness without constant manual checks. For added flexibility, the PA602 also supports vertical graphics card mounting, a feature that's becoming increasingly popular among those who want to showcase high-end GPUs in their builds. However, the case is not without its drawbacks. Its weight is substantial, tipping the scales at 34.6 pounds, which could be a concern for users who need to move or transport their system regularly. Additionally, while the PA602 offers a good selection of USB ports, half of the Type A ports are USB 2.0, which is somewhat limiting for users who need high-speed data transfer. When it comes to technical specifications, the PA602 supports a range of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX, giving users flexibility in their build. The case also features ample drive bays, offering 4 internal 3.5-inch bays and 8 2.5-inch bays, making it a solid choice for users who require extensive storage options. With a maximum GPU length of 460 mm and a CPU cooler height of 190 mm, the case easily accommodates larger components, making it a good fit for high-end workstations. In conclusion, the Asus ProArt PA602 is a standout option for content creators and professionals who demand superior cooling, noise control, and elegant design. While it's on the heavier side and has a few minor limitations with USB ports, the performance and features more than make up for these drawbacks. If you're looking for a robust, high-performance case for your workstation build, the PA602 is certainly worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.